And here we go, 4 little packets. I ran into a small hitch. That mixture of pork and fruit, it was enough to make 5 of these, not 8, not 4. So, sort of awkward. What I've done is fold one side over, both ends over, and then that end over last. So that's the last fold from this side onto there. This is the last fold from this side that way. This is the last fold from this side that way. And this whole thing, because I rolled it out a bit far, is the last fold from that side this way. So each of these is holding the last fold of the next one round that direction in place. Therefore they can't come undone. Right? Tempting fate here. What I don't know is how long it's going to take to bake these, but the inside, the pork part, the part that really has to be cooked, it's already cooked. So I can just sort of wing it with these. I'm going to turn the oven on, let it get hot, put these in and see how long it takes them to go brown. Meanwhile, I'll be turning the rest of this stuff into more of the little wafers.